I have concepts of a plan.
America stands up to dictators. We don't suck up to them. Donald Trump is dangerous and chaotic and should never hold office again.
I'm not president right now.
Let's keep it that way.
Hello? Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
I've been playing this game for an entire hour and learned 30 bucks. I made 500. I can wait until I hit 50 just to withdraw. I can withdraw every dollar.
This game has no limit to withdraw. Directly pay to your account. The transaction is within 1 minute. Download through this video now. You can directly get a $100 prize bonus. Keep playing, you can win $1,800 a day.
Did you know that you can earn $2,000 a month or more just by using your smartphone? Let me show you how. Check my comments or the link in my bio and get you.
This game has no limit to withdraw. How much you win, we will directly pay to your account. The transaction is within 1 minute. Download through this video now. You can directly get a $100 prize bonus and get your money right now.
Just to play solitaire on my phone just for fun. But now,
at Chewy, it's easy to get the food they love to chomp with the science-led nutrition you trust. Chewy, for the food they dig into, for fast shipping, for life with pets.
And meanwhile, watch your balance grow. Instant PayPal payouts are available for you every 3 hours. There are no limits and restrictions at all.
Growing up in Texas is all about hair. As I got older, I noticed premenopausal changes with my hair thinning. A friend of mine recommended Nutrafol. It's 100% drug-free and the formulas are clinically tested. In 3 months, I saw growth. Within 1 year, I felt like a completely different person. It feels wonderful to have that Texas hair that I had way back when.
This is my dad. I made those boxes on top.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dust off.
Close it up real nice and like crappy again. You guys see your face?
Hey, want to meet singles nearby? Check out this app and see what's out there. It's full of verified profiles and real beauties. So download it now and start dating.
Hello, Moto.
I moved the tall tower over so we could